In this video, I am going to introduce you to Microsoft Excel. I'm going to show you how Excel works. I will show you the benefits of Excel. I will show you the layout of Excel, and this is going to be so important and crucial to each and every one of us. Why Excel? Excel is important in data organization because it stores a lot of data that helps us to prevent loss of data. Then we have what we call the analysis tool or the toolbar. This bar is so important and so crucial that it displays everything: the formula bars, the pivot tables, the charts, and all those other related things are there in Excel, and they are so important to each and every one of us. Then we talk about accessibility, because it is used everywhere, in business, in schools, in making report cards, that's in schools, then finance departments, and so many other areas we are using this Excel. That's why I'll have to introduce you to Excel, and we are going to be moving together as we look at all the dynamics and changes that are there in Excel, depending on which type of Windows you are using. For example, this is Windows 11, and this is the display of Excel. I was showing you this. This is home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, and view. All these ones are on my Excel, and that's what we call the toolbar or the analysis tool. Then when we come here, this is what we call the name box. It shows to us the name of the cell. We are going to look at the cell and we shall appreciate. This is what we call the formula bar. Any formula that we are putting, anything we are putting in our Excel on our page or book shall be displayed in the formula bar. Now when we come here, this is what we call a cell. So a cell is that single unit that you see between the vertical and the horizontal lines. So that box is a single cell, and these cells can be named according to the letter you see here and the number this side. So as we move along this axis, we shall see that we have A, B, C, D, A, Z, and we can go as far as we cannot, because Excel stores a lot of data. Then down we can see 1, 2, 3 to infinity. We can scroll down and we cannot complete. So that is Excel. So we have that as Excel. So here in a cell is where we type and put whatever we want to put. For example, I'm writing the word food. Yes. So it displays there. If, for example, we want to, yes, if you want to adjust the length maybe of your cell, then you come here until you see that. So you move the cursor towards the right and it shall be adjusted. That's why you see that this one, this cell, which is A1, is now and downwards are bigger than these ones from B1 because of that. Still, if you want to make it a bit smaller, you do the same. And that helps. It helps you to put all the data that you want to put in your Excel. Thank you so much for your time today, and thank you for accepting to watch this video. Hope it is so helpful, and I hope to bring more other better videos that are going to show you how to use Excel in general. If I want to make a report card, if I want to store my data, which is crucial, if I want to do anything, maybe I want to generate a class list to the teachers and those other sections, how best can I use Excel? It is going to be so wonderful and so marvelous. What you do, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe so that we can make a better tomorrow. Thank you so much. Otherwise, nice day.